Hello, fellow Toastmasters. Today we have an issue where the agenda is getting complicated. Initially, we had a couple speakers planned, but we had to cancel one and rearrange things. An attempt was made to enter the agenda and modify what was visible and what roles were filled and maybe extend the time for some. But it became rather complicated as the print settings were modified and the times were changed. So I'd like to suggest that rather than modifying an agenda template, we replace the template with a new one, and that way many settings will not need to be changed, because usually templates there's a pattern that we follow. In order to change the template, we select the agenda button in the upper left, and it will appear as this. We cannot replace the template while roles are assigned, so we'll need to first go take a screenshot, write down the names, and then use the red X to cancel all of the agenda items. It will then be nice and blank. Then we'll click on the agenda button on the upper left corner, and now we will see that no green check marks are present. We will replace the current template with an alternate. We want the table topics only. When we say go, the template will be replaced. Again, everything is empty. When we click here to return to the agenda, we will see that now there's a new agenda we now have the option to populate with names, and when we go to print it, we will see the correct times and offsets, and everything is happy. Again, it is possible to modify a meeting by modifying the agenda for the specific meeting that we're looking at. However, I consider that to be very difficult and time consuming. I would suggest that instead of modifying the template, we replace it with a different one. And of course, we must first remove all of the roles, and then we'll get what we need. Good stuff.